Hello and welcome to your very first HTML tutorial. And this we're going to be covering over a few tags in HTML. Now, a tag is basically a less than sign, a little bit of code like a little H1, and then a greater than sign. And basically, whatever we can encapsulate in tags, so we can do another tag afterwards, which is a less than sign and a dash, and that's the end tag. Sorry, so this is the H1 tag, and the H1 tag is the header tag, and basically the header tag makes a big block of text. So for example, if I were to say hello Chrome inside this header tag, and save it, it wouldn't work very well in most browsers. So there's two things we need first. That's the HTML tag. Now whatever we put inside the HTML tag will show up inside our browser window correctly, except for I forgot to mention there's another tag we need called the body tag. Now the body tag is actually the website itself, so whatever we encapsulate in the body tag will be the actual website. So if we save this now to index.html on our desktop here, and I open this up, you can see it says hello Chrome in H1, which is a header. So let's go back to Notepad++. This is the program I'm using, by the way. I'll just show you quickly. Just go to Google, type in Notepad++, and this is where you download it from. There we go. It's just a nice, easy to use program where you can write basic code for like little basic programs. Anyway, back on with the tutorial. So we've got hello Chrome in H1. The next tag I'm going to show you is the center tag. Now you notice a lot of web pages revolve around the center of like the screen. So you do the center tag like this, and if we save this now and go back to our internet and press F5 to refresh, it will now be in the center. Now I'll give you a quick overview of what I've done so far in case you missed out. HTML is what we encapsulate all HTML documents in, and tags work with, you do the beginning tag and you do the closing tag with a slash after the first part, and it basically encapsulates things inside that. So let's do hello Chrome in this, and then we'll add a link which takes you to Google, because that's like what you always do. And then so basically to do a link, I was writing, I'll tell you what it does. Bear with me. Okay, so for a link, the tag is A, and basically to say where we want the link to go, we have a sub tag which is here, and it's href, and basically we do A href equals, and then we inside these two quotation marks we put the link of where we want it to take us, and then inside the main tag area which we're encapsulating with the two tags, we put what we want the link to say. So we just Control S, save this, and go back to our Chrome. You see it says hello Google. We click this and it will take us to Google. Okay, the next tag is the P tag. The P tag is a paragraph tag basically, and what the P tag does is whatever we put in this, it will show us a big paragraph. It also adds a new line. So this is a paragraph. That, and we go back to this, and it should be a little bit further down. Another tag. Let's think. The image tag is a good one actually. Let's say we're going to go on Google Images, and let's search for HTML, and we've got this little picture. Now we want this on our website, so we just copy the link, then in Notepad++ we do image src equals, and we paste the link in there, and then we just close the image tag straight away like that. You see there at the end, it's just a slash and a greater than sign. We don't need a separate tag because the image is just an image tag. And we save this, refresh the page, and there we go, there's our image in there. Also, if you want, we can save this image to our desktop HTML, and we can call this HTML, here, bear with me, HTML5.png. So save that, and now in our Notepad++, instead of writing all this, we just write HTML5.png, and for it to work, it has to be in a relative location, meaning our index.html has to be saved in the same place as this, because you're calling it relatively. If this was in a folder called image, then you'd call it relatively, so you'd do image slash and then blah blah blah. But because it's just HTML5, we can refresh and it should still work. Yep, there we go, it's still there. Next tag is this tag isn't used very much. In fact, first I'm going to, in the HTML, I'm going to add another tag called head. Now the head is where we put all our little mini snippets, like links to cascading style sheets, which is what I'll get onto in later tutorials, and we can do metadata tags, which will basically help you if you make a public website. It's what makes it show up on Google. So inside the head, I'm not 100% sure, I think it's title, the tag, like that, and then we can put in here Hello Chrome. I put in Hello Chrome because that's just my favourite browser, but it should work the same regardless of your browser. I'm going to refresh this. Instead of saying index.html, it'll now say Hello Chrome there. So that's it for this first tutorial. In later, I'm literally just going to go through all the tags that I can think of, and we'll eventually start constructing a website with buttons, feedback forms, advanced images, animations, and the best part, in my opinion, of HTML is the cascading style sheets, which allows us to style our website to however we like it. It's really good. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching.